In this lecture, let's discuss different events that get triggered in case of a slider widget. There are 5 different events that get triggered, and they are create, start, slide, change, and stop. The create event, as we all know, gets triggered when a slider widget is created. The start event gets triggered when a user starts sliding, and the stop event gets triggered when the user stops sliding. The slide event gets triggered on every mouse move during sliding, and the change event we have already seen gets triggered when the value is changed. So we have already written the change event. Now let's have another span element to display the value during sliding. So changing can be the name, and let me have another span with ID changing itself. Okay. And let me put a comma and write for slide. So slide function, and within this let me copy this, okay, and change its name to changing. And here also we need to get event and UI. So the slide event will be triggered on every mouse move during slide. So we will see the values continuously, but change will be triggered only when the value is changed. So let's see the difference. Save, refresh. Now value is 0. Look at this point. We can see the changing values. Let me try to slide the handle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is going like this. Let me release the mouse. See, only then the value in this section gets updated. That is, the change event gets triggered only once the value is changed, whereas the slide event gets triggered on every mouse move like this. That is why we are seeing all the values. Okay. Now let's write for start and stop as well. So start function and stop function. Okay. And within this let me just write alert sliding started, and within this alert sliding stopped. Now let's see the output. Save, refresh. Let me start sliding the handle. See, sliding started and it moves. Let me release the mouse. See, sliding stopped, and only if I click OK, this value will be changed. See, it is now 38. So there are 5 different events that get triggered, and they are create, start, slide, change, and stop. The create event gets triggered when we create a slider. The start event gets triggered when the user starts sliding the handle. The stop event gets triggered when the user stops sliding the handle. The slide event gets triggered on every mouse move during slide, and the change event gets triggered when the value is changed or when we release the handle. So we have seen these 5 different events in this lecture.